How to remove likes on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of activity log under your activity section. So tap on activity log, and here you can see the option of your Facebook activity, so simply select on that. Now you can see the option of different options over here. You can simply search over here for the likes option, or you can just tap or drag the list over here where you can see the option of likes and reactions. So let's tap on it, and as you do that, you'll be able to see all the likes that you have done on Facebook. Now if you want to remove it, simply tap on the hamburger or three dotted lines beside every post, and here you can see tap on unlike. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.